So many people come up to me and want to talk about getting started in real estate investing. Either they're nervous, they're scared, they're anxious because they don't have the knowledge or the skill set to get involved in fix and flip properties like renovations or development, or they're worried and weary about becoming a landlord. So I tell them, I said, hey, there's many ways to invest in real estate passively. And one of the quickest and most passive ways is to become a capital investor. So today we're going to be talking about what exactly is capital investing and how you can get involved by building your wealth through becoming the bank. All right. So I'm Alexis Hart McDowell. I am the CEO and founder of Epic Impact Investors, a hard money lender located here in Chicago. But I'm also a capital investor developer. Okay. What that means is that I help people understand what capital investing is and how to become a capital investor. That is what Epic is. It is empowering, educating, and equipping private investors and communities of color. So many people in our community have no idea that this is even a viable way to invest in real estate. And so I'm here to let you know that yes, you can become the bank. You can diversify your portfolio. You can passively invest in real estate and build your wealth and leave an amazing legacy. So let's get started. First of all, what is capital investing? Well, capital investing in simplest terms is being the bank. You provide the money for a renovation or construction project. That is it in its simplest terms. That's it. That's all you have to do is bring the money to the table so that an experienced developer or rehabber can complete a project, sell that project, return your capital investment, and you also receive interest on your investment as well. Just that simple. It's not overcomplicated. We don't have to overthink it. That's just what it is. That is the truest form of passive real estate investing. You provide the money, they do the work, you get your money back plus a return. All right. So, I mentioned that Epic Impact Investors is a hard money lender, but we also develop capital investors. That's our twofold process, right? It's our twofold mission. It's to help people of color understand that capital investing is a viable way to invest in real estate, to passively invest in real estate. Not everybody has a desire to flip properties. Not everybody has a desire to become a landlord. Not everybody has a desire to do tax liens or certificates, but people do have a desire to put their money to work for them and receive an interest on that capital that they invest. And that is the essence of capital investing and what Epic does and helping you understand how to properly invest your money. All right. So let's talk about some of the benefits of becoming a capital investor in real estate specifically. Number one, your investment is backed by a hard asset. That's right. It's backed by the property. There's a mortgage put on that property in the name of Epic Impact Investors so that we have first lien position on that property. So if something happens with the borrower or the loan defaults, guess what? We have a recourse against that property in which our investors can get their money back. We can finish the project, sell it off, or we can foreclose, sell it off, and investors still get their money back. There's so many avenues and options to take if that happens. But the point is that the investors have a higher likelihood of getting their money back through one or more of those routes. Okay. When you invest in other things like the stock market, once that stock is bottom up and is bottomed out, that's it. When it hits zero, you don't magically get your money back when it goes back up to $15. It's just done, right? Your money is gone. So this way, it is backed by a hard asset and you have some recourse. Now, I want to state unequivocally and clearly that every investment carries risk, period, point blank. If anybody comes up to you saying, I got this risk-free investment, run, don't walk in the other direction because it is going to be a scam. There is not an investment out here known to man that does not carry some risk with it. All right. And real estate investing is no different, especially passive real estate investing. But some of the benefits and some of the way that we mitigate that risk through Epic Impact Investors is that we conduct the due diligence for you. One of the biggest concerns that new investors have is how do I properly vet a deal? Well, when you invest through Epic Impact Investors, That's not something you have to worry about because we conduct the due diligence. I have 20 years of experience as an attorney, a real estate attorney, and I'm also a real estate investor as well. And I've been a passive investor for 7, 8, 9 years at this point. And I also own rental property as well. So we conduct the due diligence for you. We vet the person, meaning the developer or the borrower. We vet them. We see them. We visit them. We vet the property for you. If it's a rehab, we visit that property. We check out the scope of work. We compare the scope of work to laying our eyes on the actual property. And we also vet the profits, meaning the after repair value of that property. We're going to figure out by having comp reports done saying, hey, we think that the property will be worth this, so that we're not over leveraging, meaning over financing or over loaning on that particular property, and then giving more than what the market is going to bear for the return. So those are the three primary ways in which we conduct due diligence on behalf of Epic Impact Investors: the person, the property, and of course, the profits. Now, some additional benefits is, one, this is an additional income stream for people. There's typically 7 forms of income streams according to the IRS. All right. Most millionaires got there by having 3 income streams. Okay. So this is a passive investment income stream. You put your money aside, it's invested, it's receiving a nice return. We do 9, 10, 11% return, depending upon the type of deal that it is. And that is what your capital is going to earn during that time. So it's a passive income stream. So it means you're not working for it. It's not an earned income stream. You put your money to work. And that's truly how you build wealth, because you can't keep trading your time for money. You have to put your money to work so that it works for you and earns you money as well. Another benefit is that it helps to create a diversified portfolio, right? We always say you can't have all your eggs in one basket. We recommend you invest in stocks, you invest in mutual funds, you invest in real estate. This is just one of the ways that you can have a diversified portfolio. Next is you get a better return on your money than having it just sitting in a savings account somewhere. As I just mentioned, the returns that we are giving are anywhere from 9 to 11%, depending upon the deal and depending upon the market. So that type of return within 12 months is absolutely favorable, especially when you're getting that type of return on a specific portion of your money. I have repeat investors with me who increase the amount that they're investing with. They may have started off with 25,000 and now they're saying, hey, I got 40,000 I want to invest with you because it was such a good deal. All right. And so that money just keeps getting flipped over and over and over again in new deals, earning additional interest. So now they've really created a repeat income stream, passive income stream for themselves. Okay. Lastly, community benefit. That's right. Community benefit. Our money is going back into our communities. We are helping to develop communities of color where traditionally they have been underserved and overlooked and undervalued. And access to capital in these communities is truly something that we have struggled with since before federal redlining was legal. Okay. And so we are in the capacity and have the ability to be in the position of being the bank and loaning to our members of our community who are going to develop our communities and help bring the equity back into the homes, help other people build wealth, and to build a legacy through real estate. So more than just the financial benefits, there is a philanthropic, a community benefit to this as well. So don't miss out on becoming a capital investor through Epic Impact Investors. What I want you to do next is to download our Capital Investor Guide. Go to epicimpactinvestors.com and then you can visit Invest With Us, number 1, fill out the information. And on that same page, there's a free download. Okay. Free download. It's going to go into more detail on what we do, how we vet deals, helping you understand what the benefits of a capital investor are. All right. So go to epicimpactinvestors.com, click on Invest With Us, fill out the form. Let us know how much money that you're have available liquid to invest. Deals come up very quickly. We're usually funding within 10 business days, which means that you have to be liquid in order to have that wire sent to us. We do take investments from self-directed IRAs, IRA accounts. All of this is legal under the IRS. For investments, real estate investing is absolutely legal under self-directed IRAs, and we do have self-directed IRA investors in our deals already. All right. And then get that download, you all. Educate yourselves. Get the download that I have prepared, what every serious investor needs to know about passive investing, private investing, capital investing in real estate. Get that download. All right. It's a wealth of information. And then reach out to me. If you have any questions, concerns, I'm happy to answer them. Join the Epic Impact Investors Facebook group. Okay. Join that, answer all of the questions, and you'll automatically be admitted. And then I have a series of educational videos that you can start off with to really understand the nature of capital investing and how it can be a benefit and a wealth creation vehicle for you. All right. So thank you. I appreciate your time. Reach out to me. I'm here to answer questions. And more importantly, I'm here as Alexis Hart McDowell to help you build wealth through real estate and entrepreneurship. Thanks so much. Take care.